Welcome to this tutorial on the Google Analytics 4 add-on for Google Sheets. Today, we'll walk you through how to create, edit, and schedule reports using this powerful tool. First, open the Create Report sidebar by navigating to the Add-ons in the Extensions menu. This will automatically generate a configuration sheet for your report. Name your report, which will also become the title of the report sheet. Next, select the Google Analytics property you'd like to gather data from. To set the basis for your report, choose the metrics and dimensions you'd like to include. With your metrics and dimensions selected, you can further refine your report. Adjust the order of columns, add filters, and create groups to establish the right priority for your filters. Filters can be easily edited, removed, or moved. Lastly, determine how you'd like the report data to be sorted. Once your report configuration has been added to the sheet, you can edit the configuration either in the sheet itself or by using the sidebar. This provides flexibility to make adjustments to your report as needed. To run your reports, simply click the Run Reports button in the sidebar or select Run Reports from the add-on menu. Additionally, you can create a schedule to automatically refresh your reports at regular intervals. This ensures you always have the most up-to-date data at your fingertips. And that's it. With the Google Analytics 4 add-on for Google Sheets, you can now have a powerful and efficient way to create, refine, and schedule reports. Get started today and unlock the power of your analytics data.